like this song. The Jones Girls. Knocking. Knocking. So today, my plan is to work on computational complexity for the bot player. It has some really bad algorithms that just scan the whole file every time you move the playback head. It should really search with a binary search because the list is in order. So I'm going to do that. Ooh. Bind as. This looks really good. No. What is this? Game bind, set bind, input binds, get bind, set bind. Set bind, self name input. Nil. I'm getting lost. So the complication is all right here. I'll have to review it in earnest. Okay. Binary search. Yes, sir. So my plane leaves in a moment. No, it doesn't. My plan was to add another function to this. So we have get event index. How about set event index? Semicolon. Bow. Mutt. What's the name of your game? What's the name of your game? What's the name of your game? Okay, so now you can set that sucker to death. So here oh my god, here I want to have at time. How do you make it sound good? So it would be like block and time. Oh, I don't have time. Okay. Um, Indeed. So, Redouery, it's going to go like this. We're going to grab all of the dudes like this. We're just going to grab them. M. Oh, actually, I don't need any of that. This is 0, 1, 2, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just checking. All right, so then we do block dot Zubert lowercase underscore events dot partition point event let's see. So it's the first one where it evaluates the false. Index to the first element of the second partition. Okay, so partitioned. I think this is what we want because we're not searching for something. We're finding time in the middle. So it's let's see, time less equal event dot time. I think, and that's it. Head. This function is not const. That is not const. No. Okay, so now I want to name this better. So time to turn my brain off and use whatever AI tells me to. Just kidding. At time. So I'm making a new head at time. So the head is like the position of each event on the timelines. There's 8 separate timelines, and they're ordered chronologically. And it's like it's supposed to. The head is supposed to be like a temporal cross section where it's like whoosh, the event on timeline 1 before the head and after the head are between a certain time range. There's supposed to be some sort of timestamp, specific timestamp time that's between all pairs of events on all timelines. From time, I could. I feel my brain activating, and it feels good. I'm gonna not look at the AI. I. You know what? I think this is new, and this is like default kind of thing, 0 or something, or like the start. New head. A head is a read head at a specific time. Like if you can imagine a vinyl record playing, the read head is somewhere on the long spiraled track, and that's exactly what this is. There's 8 different read timelines tracks, and it has the position of each one. So this is like new, eh? And this is like 0 or something. Ugh. That. So if I have this function, set, yes, set event index, then I can use it better, and it's good. Yeah. So this can be after the end of the array. I really like the like logic behind this. So if array started at 0, then the first element is 0. But partition point, the way that the head works is it's like, this will be the next event. So if the value is 0, then 0 is the next event. If the value is 1, then we've already like ran the 0th event, the first event, and 1 is the next one we haven't processed yet. So what it means is that imagine there's 3 items in your list, 0, 1, 2, but there's 3 total, right? So if your partition point is number 3, that means that you've processed all of the events in your list, and number 3 is next. Even though there is not a number 3, this still works. So like get event index, this is number 3. Get, well, this is an optional value. It might not exist. So it just like doesn't care. All of the code is written to like work with that. Okay, if I name this function not new, I don't need to make a point release, or I can make a minor release instead of a bump release. So okay, it's so uncreative. After time would be something. Head after time. I think that's more accurate than at time. I will be his fool. I will be his fool. Okay, so then this changes back, and then the overall diffie is only adding new functions. So I can make a little point release. To head. So I need this. Wait. No, yeah, that's right. So I'm doing this. I mean, this is for my other library. Yeah, the code is completely not used within this file. It's maybe a little bit awkward. But like, I don't know. It's a freaking array, man. I'm gonna have to stop using this at some point because the timelines will be split into blocks, and I'll need to have a head that points to two separate segment or can point to separate segments for each timeline as it advances along multiple blocks that are streaming. Streaming is a very interesting use case. I'm so interested in like streaming this data, but like it's just not that useful because most of the bots aren't longer than like 5 minutes, and that loads pretty fast. Oh my god, bro. Specially remixed version. Okay. Okay, so if I yeah, okay. Oh well, I made something special for me because I am the library author. Okay. Roblox bot file. Wow. Oh, I have to just change the version. Oi. Oh, it's just a widow release. I can't say it. Release. A widow release. Yeah, how the hell? Release. Release. Uh. Indeed. And then we go over to the Roblox bot player. And do we cargo? What if we update? How many Tingas pin utils is gone? Like it. Glam 32. Well, all I needed was that one. Well, let's. What else is here? WebSys. Ay. Yeah. Right. Uh. Oh, it should be here, right? Bot file 91. Let's go. And then ah ah head after time after time. Set time needs bot then. Oh my god, bro. Oh, wait. Oh. Right? Uh-oh. after time. So then the state, I actually realized that it doesn't reset the state. Haha. Haha. And it very much should. So then how um I don't have to write this like Lua. Uh um maybe I just do anyways though. Like it looks very Lua like if you ignore the double colons. And the let mut. Okay, so now we need to do state dot push prop peepoo like this. Oh. Wait. Okay, I see it's number. Yeah, okay. So indeed. Event index. So for event index in 0 dot dot head get event index baba booey event type. So we're only gonna go certain something. Oh mama. Should I macro this or function it? Oh. So I wonder if it can figure it out and realize that it's just going. Yeah, it'd be better to not. I guess I'll make a function that does it. So it'll be like this. State dot advance all at once. Head. Oh. Process event. Wait, how does the head work? Head push. Oh, I see. Hmm. Uh, I think it's called process exhaustive in the language of the gods, which is me speaking 3 years ago. Instruction. Yes, it's called process exhaustive, but I'm gonna go heat this up a bit. Process. So I need to like make a function that runs all of the timelines between the head before and the head. I guess, does it know the head before? Oh. Function names. It's just the hardest thing. Let's go like that. Process head. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And then all right, it'll be like a bunch fewer lines of code if I do it like this. So I'm just gonna do it like this. State. Okay. Indeed. How do bot. Okay. Okay, so now I need a function called process head. And I lost the code. Give me that back. All right. So now, body, and then head. Oh, I mean, that's not the greatest. I guess I can just say V0 head then. That's okay. Okay. So then I do like this. I go bot dot. How do da. Okay. Slice. I mean, it should work. Um, for event in boom. Self.push input. And just like that. Event. Right? Do it. Homely. Is it event.event? It is, isn't it? Neat. Oh. Okay. So now we do the rest. Well. So indeed. Gabagoo. So it's all of these. Doi, 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 doi. And then all of these. Okay. And then output gravity run setting. I believe this is like this. And then now the ones that remain are not real. Sound world camera. There we go. Oh. You good? Complete bot. Okay. But it's not. I don't know what the procedure on that is. Where if you have your own library type and then you have like an inner type that you're wrapping, and then like if I only need the inner type, do I pass the inner type? Or do I always pass the library type around my library? I guess it literally doesn't matter. It all just compiles away in the end. In this case, I would hope. Okay, well, this one is like that as well. And it's private to the crate, so and this is not bot, this is block. So set time on the big one needs to read the head and process the head. And I forgot to do that. So it's just lucky that the run prepare resets the run. What else does it do? Run is the main event. Gravity, game controls, tick. Jump count. So this is going to not be accurate. Setting. Sensitivity. Is that resize only? I guess it is. Alright, what's wrong? You don't be doing that. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. And then what about you? Next event bot timelines. Well, you see, this is pubby. Wait, why is it public? I don't use that, do I? Shouldn't this not be public? It's like event time makes sense because it's using all this other but this one does not. It's just v0 block. Uh-oh. Real? I don't know. Is that more complicated? Like it's gonna lift it out of the loop, right? I just right. I was gonna lift the whole thing. So maybe not. I do like the idea of moving it here though. Oh god. Why does this keep happening? Stop it. Okay, so what is this doing? This is doing the fast. Improve algorithmic complexity. Seek algorithmic complexity O of n O log n. Oh, I'm not done yet. You goob. So I need to pass the bot. The bot. R. Self dot bot. Abagabagoo. No, don't do that. Set time makes a bit less sense now. Now it looks more like seek. Seek to. So I also noticed the scales wrong. Okay, so let's just like fix it for now. Help. So this is gonna say like this. Set head time. Indeed. And then the also bot. For real. And then we run yeah, that's right. Wasm module, Wasm pack. Hello. Good. And then I was about to do something. Right. That's right. So this is all the stuff for improving the seek algorithm complexity. And it remains an open question whether it works. Strafe. Grow blocks. Web. Python. Okay, it seems to work. Oh! I appear to have made a mistake. Oh. Whoopsie. Oh. Oh. I forgot. The whole point was to not do these. Haha. God, I hate that. The whole point of this was to avoid running the input output events. And sound will go in that category as well. So you won't get the jump count. But there should be very few of these events. So it's okay to do the other ones. I do not know what has gone wrong. I bet it'll just break here as well. Yeah, it just breaks. R doesn't even fix it. Buh. Oh, actually, I think it's because of this. Oh, it is because of this. I see. But that time. Whoops. That should fix it. What? Wait. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Wait, no, that is it. It sets the time right now to new time. A little bit of type safety. Haha. But why? 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 So I think this will break as. Oh, interesting. So is that running a Kupi core, CPU core? No, it just gave up. Okay. Does it Does the looping work? There's no way to know. Just kidding. We'll see in 10 seconds. Cool, it does work. So now it does actually reset the playback state. Why? Why? How have I broken it? If let bot, complete bot, bruh, there's so little code. Okay, what about run event, gravity event, setting, run, gravity. Okay, is it a freaking segfault business? If we open the console, if I do this, what? It was running an old version, wasn't it? What? Unreachable executed. Shift F5. I hate this. Module JS 130. Why don't we take a look at that? $130. Graphics render. Huh? What do you mean unreachable executed graphics render? Head get position angles. Oh, okay. So it's like that one or this one. Get event index output. Okay, so somebody. Oh, it's the head, isn't it? But wouldn't it? No. It would look. It would not be. It would not be 0. Huh? Where? So like, if there's no gravity events, this is 0 to 0, and it's an empty loop. Everything is good. It has to be setting the time to something dummy. But it kind of can't. All right, well, let's do a debug. Oh, we can't, but we can. Debug that sucker to death. head, state.head, self.head, gabagoo, and then what do you want? Head doesn't invalid debug. Unlucky. I don't want to update the library. Okay, print, I guess. Some get event index. All right, what are the events? Buh. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. We got that V0 here. Nope, but we do have event type. So we can do setting index equals to, and then go event type, like that. And that'll be good enough. I just don't see how this fails here. It like partially works sometimes. Whoa. Uh, 106, head 106. Really? So this thinks it's after the end of the timeline. I really don't want to make this fallible, but it kind of is. Oh, wait, but I fixed it. Huh? 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 Head time, timer time, bot time. But this is set time, head time. Eh? Timer set time, new time. Bot time, new time. Like, this is just totally fine. Okay, am I okay? Evaluates to false. Okay, did I just write the partition backwards and that's it? But also, it will still crash if I'm not mistaken. Gotta dig down here. Set time. Set head. There it is. So time is less than event.time. True, 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 false. Once time is greater. So this is exactly correct. Um, what's it called when you access memory out of bounds? Whatever. Whatever. Uh, uh, all right, nice hack. All right, it shouldn't crash anymore, I guess. But it's still wrong. Yeah. So it's clearly going to wait. Is it backwards? I gotta think about this. Time less than event.time. So if time is less than event.time, we're done. Aren't we? Oh, I have it totally backwards, don't I? If the event time is less than time, man, I walked through this in my head. If the event time is less than time, then we haven't reached the time yet. I hate that. I hate that. When I think through it and I don't realize my own mistake, makes me feel dumb. Dumb. Stupid. All right. Yeah, that was the bug. Wrong. It's just wrong. Plain wrong. Stupid partition point. Ugh. 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 Stop. So this also fixes a bug. It should just work now. Actually, I want to put another thing. Hoy. All right. Yeah. Oh my god. How did it? Oh, it must have. Okay. So yeah, it should just work. No bugs. Okay, so then this one, refresh that page. And it works. Okay. Indeed, sir. I think I would also like to figure out. Okay, so that's done. That's done. I did it. Yeah. I should also fix a real bug. Okay. Boing, boing, boing. This is kind of a different bug. Wah, 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 wah. Okay, why is it green? When I go back, if I press R here while it's paused at 0. Huh? Okay, I press pause. I press R. And then I start changing the time scale and it moves forward. So what does that mean? So that means there's a mismatch between the current time and the time it thinks it is. It's time traveling. Where? When it so it's okay. It's reset time 0. Time 0. Oh. Am I allowed to do this? Oh, I see. Doubt. So I have set scale. Why don't I do get scale? G. No argumentative, but it does return this chungus. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Ah. This is crap. I need to like bop the timer. Just say get time. Right. That's for the offset. Huh. When it's paused. Okay, I'm gonna try this instead. This is something time enter. Who did this? Mimi session time, I believe. That should do it properly. Except when it's paused. But whatever. And no need for the Uber math. Okay, so that makes the player move the time scaled, right? So it's like you're moving the time to 2 seconds in your own future rather than in the bot's future. So if I slow it down, 2 seconds in my future isn't that far ahead in terms of the bot. But if I speed it up, 2 seconds in my future, boop, it's almost the whole bot. Boop, I'm skipping halfway through the bot here. Boop, and now you can't tell what's going on. But yeah, nice. Okay, cool. Done. Got it. Okay. Yeah, so I want to fix this as well. Indeed. Good show. Fix relative scaling. That's so ambiguous. Seek time scale. Yay. So now if I refresh the page and then I slow it down and seek forwards, it doesn't jump by a billion. It just jumps out by a little bit. Nice. Got it. Okay. What else is there? Yeah, that's another bad reason to do it like this. Oh well. R. Right, the zero bug. What? It's okay, thinking it's paused. The offset is erased, isn't it? So imagine you pause the timer, and that's like a special state. Indeed. It changes the internal state. It remembers what timescale it's supposed to be at. Very explicit. Pause. Yeah, into paused. So this like overwrites the offset to be an absolute number, and then it reinvents the offset when you unpause the timer. What's the behavior of the Roblox player? Bot replay in browser? That's right! It's all open source. Except for the graphics. I'm considering making the graphics open source as well, though. This is a JavaScript library. Wasm module. Check it out. So this is all of the JavaScript code. And it has all of this game control stuff, which like, whatever. We can just like pretend that doesn't exist. And like look at less code. Okay, so graphics, set up graphics. Okay, bot, complete new bot. Okay, so it's fetching these files. Bot map. This is really short, so that this stays on one line with formatting. Wait, it's allowed? Okay. Yeah, so it just sets up these chunguses here, and then sets the map, and then it's like, oh yeah, this is the timer text when you do the timer, yeah. And then you call graphics.render. You have to advance the time to the current time, and then graphics.render, and you're done. Pause, restart. And it like, so you see when it starts at 0, and it like actually like simulates the run timer, the HUD. Oh, you're right, Roblox. Damn, that sucks. I was demonstrating the whole thing. So I wanted to see if I pause and then it does. Ah, okay. Here, here's a library. I have like a how to readme for everything. Oh, also, the public API is getting a API to download bots, and the embedded player is going to be on 5-man website. So you don't need to be logged into Roblox to see times anymore. No way. Icewolf made a bot renderer from. There's actually 2 projects in here. There's the native player and the JavaScript module. So this is just literally like an entire game engine. Well, standalone application. It's based on the Strafe client, of course. But like there's no physics running, right? So it's stripped out all of the stuff that's not needed, and it's just graphics and Roblox bot file playback. Ooh. So you can load any map, any bot. So native player, yeah, it's right here. And so I have like controls to like control the speed, jump around, pause, restart. Same controls as Roblox. I was thinking of making a UI, but like this was mostly for me to figure out the API in a way that I understand without having to like deal with the complexity of JavaScript. Because I didn't know anything about it. Turns out it was very easy. But yeah, basically you do this and you do this and you're good. Yeah. And all of this is just like the control buttons. So I was trying to figure out the API for the control buttons, basically. Uh, hmm. 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 Oh, wait. Wait, I can just check. I'm reported. So, playback time. Yeah, man. Um, it can, yeah, no. We can just go if paused. R. Okay. If paused. Oh, this is JavaScript. Then you do one thing else. You do something else. Yeah. Widowy. Where did the other one go? Oh, there it is. That should fix it. Pause. Oh, you can't. Yay! Now you can move while paused. I set it to 1 second. Is that hard coded? Am I tripping? Let me run the Roblox again. It is 1 second. Oh. Oh. I thought it was 2 seconds. Wait, what? Eh? It's 1. It's okay. Fix seek when paused. Okay, how does this? Oh, is that the if statement right there? Where did it go? Oh, no, huh? Okay. How does it work? Helper function set time. Base duration timer. Oh, timer gets scale. Oh. Oh. That's very smart. Okay, I understand. I guess I can still use that comment message. Indeed. Playback scale. Uh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna need a boop of the ba. So actually, douse. Unlucky. Can I? Can I? Can I like prop? Timer. No. So I have into state, but I don't have like get state. I would very much like to get state. Because then I could like goob the goob. State. So like, arr, arr, arr. So like, yeah, it's like get time. Yeah, it's this. But okay, but then it's all inner goobs. Is it get time? Yeah. It's a freaking trait. Okay, whatever. Just it doesn't matter. It's tiny. Whatever. All right, so we're gonna do get that time, and then we're gonna do timer clone. Ah, goddamn. Da. Great pain. Why don't okay? Let's see if I can do it in a one-liner here. Plus self dot playback head dot timer dot clone into state dot zero dot get time, and this is a trait, and then my timestamp goes here. Ah, that works. Okay, maybe a little bit sussy going on. Let time offset equals to this. Cool. Not the most pretty, I must admit. Actually, I could just minus it, couldn't I? Is that always true? Oh, it's this function. Why did I go to the wrong function? Scaled time enter into state. Yeah, it's this one. Why did it go to this one? This is awful. Would it be better if I did get state? Like it would look like this instead. Get state. That's so smart though. The Roblox way I did it. I used to be such a smart fella. So playback get scaled doesn't exist. But whatever. Whatever. We just go in and we make it happen. Get scale, set scale. That makes sense. So get should I make this function rat.io? Not real. F64. Not real. What, like just dot into? Oh, no, it's a F. I don't know, man. So we have set scale. Get scale just kind of makes sense when you have set scale. Like it does mean that you have to. Oh, that's mutt. No. It does mean that you gotta return this absolute goob here, but. Right. Okay. Oh my god, bro. And then scale num as F64 over scale den as F64. And then everything is working again. And like this one is using the proper technique and that one is using the proper technique. And oh no, there's a trait. I hate this. IQRST. There you go. Trait. Right. I was gonna try and use traits for the timers and see how that worked out. Clone in the state. So bad. Oh my god. Hmm. 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 Whatever. It's almost the same thing. This is an int. Clone, not a big deal. So I'm providing direct timer access. Am I dumb? Does this really work? I didn't think so. Okay, it stopped responding. So get time. Don't I want to plus the big boy? God damn it, where did the file go? My god. Time minus base duration gets skipped time. So it's like the current time. Okay, stay open. Time. Time scale. So this is not exactly that. It's plus offset here. Isn't that always correct though? Like if I just grab INS plus, I think that's just always correct. And then INS minus. Yeah. And then what's going on here? Get scale. Yeah. So this is written exactly like the in the All right. Bum 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 bum. Slow slow. Bum 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 bum. Stop. Bum 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 bum. Got it. We got it. Fix sequen pause. It do be doing like that. Okay, and it's only fair to have set scale and get scale, right? It's fair. This is goofy. Yeah, it's in wasm bindgen. Get scale. So I could use get scale and mul int, but like this is the same thing. All right, that's GG. We got him. All right, I want to. Ooh. Okay. That's not very good. Okay. This is a bug. I gotta fix the bug. Gotta fix the bug. This is not good. So here's the bug. When you pause and then restart, it goes green. And then if you change the scale, it time travels. Ooh, chocolate bits. How can I debug this and figure out why it's green? Why? So even if the time scale is tiny, restarting doesn't do it. But if you're paused, So clearly the time is either wrong or give me back that debug line I had. Right here, right here. Okay. Print line the in the e at the had that the input number 0, right? Okay. Oh. Okay. Show me. What are the indices? Are they right? Are they wrong? So R input, output, sound gravity. That looks right. Input. It's 1. It's 1. Let's looky at the key. Wait, what's this? -1? Yeah, okay. That could divide by 0, couldn't it? Mm. I'm I think what is happening is there's 2 output events at the same time at the start. Why don't I print it? Print it, and we will see. I'll just print it. Hell, what is it? This is you have the time. Okay. Mm. 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 Okay. Um. Mm. One time. Um. Mm. I think this Pretty Prince game. Oh. Yeah. All right. Let's see if it's the exact same time. Yay! I figured out the bug. So, methinks the fix is actually instead of using the head. You just have to use the bot. And then times 0 after time. What do we like this? I think that will work. So new time is just times 0. And set time. Come on, bruh. If it's like that. Oh, it's here. Yeah. Okay, so then now I wait. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Good. True. Okay, so now that's a little bit better. Oh, I guess I could. No, I do have to do it like this. Yeah, but so then. That's right. So you must provide the bot to create the playback head because it's gonna initialize itself. So that it don't be die. Zero zero. Let me see. ER. So let's do. Earth. Gabagoo, and then all right. Okay, it's timer derf. Timer time. Should be right. All right, go for it. So I expect them to be same, and they are the same. So the partition point is supposed to be doing first after. First false. Oh my god. I have to edit it again. After time. So after time is when it's false. Which means event time is greater than time, which is not less than or equal to time. Okay. Slightly wrong. Oh my god, bruh. Okay, now it should work. For sure, definitely, right? Right? Oh my god, bro. Alright, it's gonna do the thing again. Oh, it didn't do the thing. Oh, it did do the thing. There is the thing. Get out of here. Okay. Indeed. So now when I run this and I reset, we should see this value here be like 2 or something. All right, so pause R. Ah! Okay. All right, we shouldn't need this. No, we do need this. Wait. Oh! I can do modulo. Hold up. New time. Wayment. Okay. Let new time equals new time modulo. Okay, I need rem Euclid, really. Bot duration. Oh, it is expecting. Okay, coerce it. Knew it. Okay, what? How, but surely I'm using Rem Euclid in my own library, right? I'm not a big dummy. No, it's not, is it? It's using Rem. Ass. Why? It doesn't make any sense. Ugh. Why does all programming use not Euclid remainder? It's so dumb. Why would you ever want that? Okay. Crash out. Over. Okay, so I'm just going to add it, and it'll be there. Rem Euclid. No. Self other. Rem Euclid other dot done. So dumb. No way, dude. Oh, div Euclid. There's div Euclid? What the heck? Wait. Division works like that too? Oh. Okay, that's probably why my entire physics engine doesn't work. Is because they made math wrong. Bruh. Why would you make something that doesn't work the same for negative numbers? It's just like, and then it's like discontinuity. Really mad. All right, in the docs, it's like this. Okay. Okay. Refactor sniff. Okay. Common integer. Add rem Euclid div Euclid to time. Okay. I'm fuming. This is stupid. It's so dumb. Why is math wrong? Just don't do math wrong and everything is okay. echo. Did I already publish the goob? I did. God, I can't believe it. Right, have to update it. Cringe. Okay, so now it's wrapped by bot duration, and now there is never any problems ever. It can never equal this timestamp at the end, so we don't need this hack. It can never be less than this, so we don't need this hack. All hacks gone. Sorry. What's that sound? That was an extreme mathematical intrigue sound. All right, I believe I fixed everything. All right. It should not break. Ever. And then I play it and I press back and it loops back to the end. I fixed everything. Okay. Now we open up the Botman. Make sure it's refreshed. Unexpected. Oh, okay. Lib. I remember. Somebody wants the bot right here. Nan. That was Nan. I saw it. It loops back. Pause, restart, back. Something's wrong, but... So why is it Nan? Right. Maybe it's that. Because now it already does that. Let's try that. No. 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 Nan. Wait, do I rev it up? Head. No, I don't rev it up. I gotta rev it up. Rev up those fryers. Mutt. I believe that was the bug. Please be the bug. I'm trying to check out here. Yeah! Alright, but then this is like a bit wrong, isn't it? Whatever. It's good. Fix green bug. It's kind of involved, but like I expected that because it's like some subtle issues. Yay! Back. Okay, what about pause, reset? Bye. I don't know why that happened. I'm not sure what's going on there, but we can deal with that. Okay, I should probably make this a little bit more descriptive. It just works better. Why think about it? I already did the thinking. Nice. Exciting. That is very exciting. I find this exciting. Did I just touch my glasses? God damn it, look at that giant fingerprint. Ah, I can't see. So I found out that my glasses are kind of misprescribed. The left eye is blurry. If I like look with my left eye through the right lens, it's sharper than looking through the left lens. And same with my right eye. The right lens is better for both eyes. So I should probably go back and be like, hi. Because they did say that I can have it redone or whatnot. We'll see if that's in the cards. It might have been too long already. I wonder if I had some gunk in my eye. I got a prescription for eye with gunk in it. Bruh. That would suck. Oh yeah, there's this. But it's not done yet, is it? Wait. If you change the scale of a paused timer. No, it uses the absolute offset, doesn't it? Time. Yeah. Time get offset. Okay. It's not. So it's not that. It's not that the scale is like affecting the time of the paused timer because it's now out. Set scale, but it is the paused set scale. Is it real? Set scale. Is it real? Set scale. I think the library is wrong. It is. So this function is needed for a not paused timer. But for a paused timer, it's different. Let's try this. So, which one do I do first? Paused or unpaused? Unpaused, pause. Okay. So that's good. Oh my god. So this is a little bit of a hack. Maybe I move this out actually. Is that real? No. Wait, what? State. I'm dummy. Okay. There you go. Yes. And then now we can do this here. All right, now we're on crack. I mean, now we're cooking. Okay. Yeah, I believe the timer library was wrong. And now it is not. Some setting the scale of a paused timer is different than an unpaused timer. Pooah. Nice. It's still encapsulated. I think I got it. I guess I should actually build Strafe Client to make sure I didn't break Strafe Client. Oh, is that AI? It's not AI. Oh. Huh? Is my desktop just hella bugged? Oh boy. Well, it's nearly the end of the stream. What time is it? Jesus. Oh, it's not nearly the end of the stream. Okay, well, it's working. It's not really calling the new functions, but whatever. I didn't break everything else. Fix set scale for paused timer. Sniff, this is not real. Like, is it trolling me here? Surely it's trolling me, right? Yeah, it was trolling me. Okay. Common 8.5. Common 8.5. Okay. Now I need to go update it here. So this is a pure update. Maybe I just, well, no, I would want to, I guess whatever. I believe that should fix it. We can try it on the native player and the WASM. So if I pause and change scale, it doesn't break. If I pause and reset and change scale, it doesn't break. Wow. So that was just a bug in my library. I don't know if there are any other bugs at all. Fantastical. Huge. Wait. Both of these buttons do the same thing. Wait. Don't tell me. Yep, it's my fault. Sheesh. No more breaking when you click buttons. Everything just works all the time, always, no matter what. That's the last bug. Yay! Are we still like tiny? Ayo. Was it always that big? Wasn't it like 1.5? Oh, that was after compression, wasn't it? Uh, Bugs squashed. My development strategy wins again. Rush it out the door and then fix everything. It only works because I'm not a corporation. Let's go. And I actually care. I keep working on it after its release. It's not like, whoo! Glad that's done. Good luck, users. Ship it. Yeah. Feels good. It's in a really good state. It's all working. It's working. Got the JavaScript parts in the JavaScript. Got the Rust parts in the Rust. There's no special cases. There's no workarounds or edge cases. Everything just like does the correct thing from the beginning with no hacks. There is actually one hack, and that is in the WASM module, and it's not my fault. Or maybe it's kind of an IDE thing. I don't know how to tell it to build in WASM. Everything I tried didn't work. If I could tell it to build in WASM, then I could get rid of this crap. And I could just go like this. Wow. Wow. Bot player. You can now play bots. Oh. Oh. Now what? Right, there's the whole Surface deal. I was thinking of making a Chungus that picks the graphics adapter. So you'd be like, graphics, new instance, give me all of the adapters possible. I guess that could be one step. It would like have all that stuff ready to know, and then you're like, oh, would there's a make a graphics, and it's so annoying to have to make the Surface first. Look, you have to make the Surface before you pick the adapter. And that is already making the Surface on an adapter implicitly, I'm pretty sure. Which is stupid. You should... Yeah, but like it's because it's like making a window or something. I don't know. I don't know. It's like picking an adapter compatible with the Surface, but like, aren't you displaying the Surface on a particular adapter? Wouldn't you like create the Surface on the adapter rather than create the adapter that is compatible with the Surface. Seems dumb to me. Like, wouldn't you be like, oh, looks like we're drawing here. Let's use the adapter that's drawing there. And then go like, I want to make a new surface on this adapter. It seems dumb. It seems dumb. See me dumb. Dumb. Let's dig. Create surface. Target and save from window. Into surface target. Create surface. For all backends. Oh. Help. All right, if I say default features false, I think it probably won't help. Default features false. So the problem here is that the dependencies are requiring Gubby features. I don't know how to do this. I kind of do. I could make a feature juggling maze where you have to like plumb every single thing all the way down, and it has to like have all WGPU features all the way. Let's see. Rust force dependency features off. Yeah. Yeah, but then it would just fail to compile, so screw it, right? So I need to say web. Everything else, and like, and have it the default features on, but then disable it in the create above, and have the default features on, but then disable the create above. Oh my god! And there's like, I think it's only 2 layers, but. 1 megabyte. It's pretty amazing. Oh, graphics. Yeah, I should look into loading the Skybox. Skybox. Uh, Get LFS was a mistake. Okay, so good. Filter empty polygon lists. Bruh. Why don't I work on that? True, I guess. Polygon group, polygon list. So this is gonna be mutt then. Oh. Wait. Does it refer outside? I don't know. um. So I need to build a map at the same time. F. Jeez. Surely, right? Um. Frick. No. Not empty. So keep the ones that are not empty. Oh, is it not public? Oh, it's in the same module. Okay. Indeed. Okay. Um. Oh, actually, it's the other way around. Oh. 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 Oh, I need both? Gross. Old index, new index. Oh. Wait, it's just option. Okay, I get it. Okay, so there's just one, and then this is option. So not real. Keep I plus equals 1. Map.push some fricking polygon group ID new I. Why don't we call it ID then? And then otherwise push none, because there is none. Okay. Yeah, so same thing. Graphics groups retain group. It doesn't matter what it is. Well, actually it does. Oh, it's not that. Okay, so it's per group. For group in graphics groups, what? Retain. Help. Oh, dot groups. Oh, actually I need to mud it completely. Oh, goodness gravy. I need to delete and mut. Wow. It's like retain map. Filter map? Into iter filter map, but then it's a new allocation. It doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. Okay. ID. But it's not really. Okay. Polygon group by. So then this is not real. Oh, it is real actually. Well, no. No, it's not. Okay, I'm confused. Polygon group ID. That is the index into this, and that tells you the new group ID. Or it tells you if it's dead. So we go like map get as usize is some. And then for ID in drop empty groups and this is so dumb. I can't believe how dumb this is. Why is there meshes with empty vertex lists? It's stupid. So now this polygon group ID is equal to map polygon group ID get zuby dot unwrap actually. which is another dumb thing to say. Okay, so then it's the literal exact same thing for physics groups. Okay, so did I break everything or did I fix everything? Who knows? CD map tool. Remove empty vertex lists. Common mesh builder. Okay, and then I want to go to yes, but also no. Maps. Oh, right. There's that one thing. Yes, this is kind of what's going on. Actually, let's see map tool. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I want. Ooh, it didn't crash. I did it. I'm so good at fixing bugs. Okay. Yeah. So now it can potentially convert more maps. Why don't we do that? Let's see. Oh, actually, before I do that, there's one more thing, and that is the script execution engine doesn't give up, and it probably should. Run scripts. Why don't I give it like a timeout or something? You need so this is run script, thread resume, runnable context. Where's the like game? Yeah, no, this stuff. Who did this? Nobody did this. What? It's in the archive. I need to delete that archive. Why don't I do that right now? Because that's annoying. Strafesnet archive, right? Okay. Just do it. Mega zip it. Giga zip. Yeah. Just zip everything. Go for it. 8 megabytes. Well, hold on. That looks like there's bad in there. Sigh. Okay. Good. Saving lots of disk space here. Jeez. Sniff. Okay, that was a lot of crap. Alright, I didn't make it. Okay. 7's dead. Okay, let's try again. It should be, yeah, 24 megabytes. There we go. Oh, it tried to access the linked folders. Interesting. Yay! Archive size 16 megabytes. Well, there you go. So now I can delete this and never have to accidentally search through it again. And this goes to backups. Backups. Oh, is it, do I have a literal thing called backups? Oh, there's better things. Hold on. I'll put it in here for now. Oops. Cool. GG. Okay, who is running things on my computer? Rust Analyzer. What are you doing? Surely it wasn't going through that archive, right? Okay, what was the other thing I was going to do? Right, I thought that the scripts were causing infinite loops, but is it something else? Maybe. All right, let's run the big Chungus. Sniff maps. Maps. All. So I have 1165 here. What about in the folder? So that's in here. Maps. All. 1168. Run it. Oh, it's not the new version. Oh. There we go. Try that again. Are we getting big CPU usage? Kinda. Could be better. I don't know why it's not better. It should just use all available resources. let's watch the log roll in, I guess. I wonder if I'll get any more from that. Because it was a crash. And the new maps, I think some of them have... It shouldn't take this long. I don't know if it's halfway through or not. Because it didn't change any of the file sizes. There's 2 stuck processes. Not really sure how to fix that. Index nil with child added. Bro. Dot players. I haven't implemented the players service, huh? Oof. I mean, that's at the end of the script. Probably this should not exist. What the hell map is this? Lost Temple. Source. Oh. These kinds of scripts should not be in the game. Buh. Alright, I don't know why those got stuck. So we don't have any more files. That's sad. I wanted it to generate a couple more. Time is it? 48. Well, I think that's good. I can... throw in the towel. I've done good. Done well. I fixed all the bugs on this thing that I know about. Pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream. Gotta go do monetization for New Game 6. Great! Very nice. It's pretty cool that I fixed all the bugs. Surely there's more bugs that are just not known. You can open issues on the Roblox bot player, the bot player. Bot player is a real piece of software. The bot player repo if there's issues. All right. I might work on graphics next week. That would be pretty cool. In fact, I'll write it down here. Monday, StrafesNet graphics. Work on StrafesNet graphics. Load Skybox for maps. That could be a big project. But everything I do here helps Strafe Client. Like I'm thinking about how to do streaming for maps and stuff, or yeah, no, I guess maps, but mostly bots, long bots, and that would definitely be helpful for the Strafe Client because I need to invent like a segment B tree map data structure for um, partially streamed bot files. But there's also tassing. Tassing is very interesting because it's like a tree structure, and you can have like a linked graph that like references it's sewing together different runs you've done, but you need them to like branch out from the same starting run, and then oh, I made a mistake, go back, try again, oh, go back, try again, and you like have an entire tree of runs, and it needs to like seamlessly and like efficiently store that in memory. And it needs to be seekable as well. So if you play for an hour, it shouldn't just be one giant segment and there's no way to scrub to the middle. It needs to be broken up into little pieces, but that is within this larger tree structure. So it's a really, really interesting design problem. It'd be really interesting to make. But task is like the last thing you do because that's like the game is done and now you need to have tools to play the game. So, yeah. It's very interesting, but also rather something that is not useful now. Anyways, everything I do for the bot player helps the Strafe Client. And I think it would be good, cool, and fun to work on the graphics. And so yeah, I think that's what I'll work on next week. Maybe for an entire month. Okay, goodbye.